For more than a decade, Cipla Quality Chemicals has made a significant impact on the domestic economy in terms of employment, investment, trade balance improvement and foreign exchange savings. It is against this backdrop the company is welcoming the public to share a portion of its success.
During this IPO and as part of our growth strategy, each of Cipla QCIL shareholders will be selling a minority of their stakes to enable sufficient float and liquidity. But let me tell you, you need a big boy to be part and remain part of it. The Cipla Group will remain the majority shareholder. This is critical for technology.
Cipla becomes the 9th locally listed company on Uganda'S Securities exchange and the first in the local pharmaceutical industry to do so.
This goes on to show that Cipla Quality Chemicals Industry Limited is not only a stable private entity, but is also giving members of the general public an opportunity to get a stake in a local company that is fighting malaria, HIV, and hepatitis B through the manufacture of WHO-certified medicines in Uganda.
657,179,319 shares of the company have been floated for public offering, although the minimum number of shares per application is 1,000 offer shares.
So as a market, it has been a long time coming since the last initial public offer in 2012. And I'm sure this is a welcome development to the 30,000 registered institutional and retail investors, as the pharmaceutical industry provides a new and unique investment sector and investment option.
We have, for example, recently invested several $1 million in expanding the capacity of our facility in Luzira by 30%. So we can now manufacture 130 million tablets a month on a 2-shift basis at our current manufacturing facility.
The stock market is a way to get long-term capital for businesses. To date, 1.2 trillion shillings have been raised from the capital market through the stock exchange.
Cipla's IPO will increase that to 1.5, and that is exclusive of the bond market that has raised 360 billion over the last 20 years.
Dennis Igoa and Gloria Tumhairwe for UBC Business.